Oreo truffles have been around for, I think, as long as I can remember, and while I don't know who the first person was to make these, I can totally get the hype. Obviously, something made with just Oreos and cream cheese is going to be absolutely delicious, and they're also so incredibly easy to make. So when it was time to make my Oreo cake pops for my Halloween treat box this year, I knew that I actually wanted to make these. And I love these because instead of using candy melts, we're just thinning out our white chocolate with a little bit of vegetable oil, and this makes them so much easier to dunk. But let me warn you that you will get Oreo crumbs in your chocolate, but remember, it's okay, these are mummies, and we're just giving them kind of like an aged look. And sticking with our keep it simple theme, we're melting our white chocolate directly in the piping bag to make the mummy's bandages, and if you don't have sprinkle eyeballs, don't worry, you can always just use dots of dark chocolate. And for as quick and easy as these are to make, I promise you they'll be gone just as fast.